Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down exactly how to record the Employee Retention Credit, or ERC, in your financial statements. Many businesses have claimed this valuable credit, but the accounting can be tricky. The most important thing to understand is that under US GAAP, the ERC is treated like a government grant, not as a reduction in your income tax liability or as revenue. This distinction is key to getting the accounting right. So, when do you actually record it? You don't record it when you apply, and you don't wait until the check from the IRS arrives. You should recognize the credit in your financial statements in the period when you have reasonable assurance that you've met all the eligibility requirements and that you will receive the funds. This means once you've done your due diligence, confirmed your eligibility for a specific quarter, and calculated the credit amount, you can book it. Now let's talk about the journal entries. There are two primary, acceptable methods. The first, and most common, method is to record the credit as a reduction of the related expenses. Since the ERC is tied to qualified wages, you would credit your wage expense account. The journal entry would be a debit to a new asset account, let's call it ERC receivable, and a credit to wage and salary expense. This lowers your payroll expenses on your income statement, which makes logical sense because the credit is designed to offset those very costs. The second method is to record it as other income. In this case, the journal entry would be a debit to ERC receivable and a credit to an other income account, which you might label ERC grant income or something similar. This method increases your net income but doesn't distort your gross profit or operating expenses, which some businesses prefer for clarity. Whichever method you choose, the debit side is the same, you create a receivable on your balance sheet. This ERC receivable represents the money the government owes you. It will sit there as a current asset until the cash is received. When you finally get that check from the IRS, the journal entry is simple. You will debit your cash account and credit the ERC receivable account, clearing it off your balance sheet. So, to summarize, you recognize the credit when you're reasonably sure you'll get it, you record it either as a reduction in wage expense or as other income, and it lives as a receivable on your balance sheet until the cash hits your bank. Always be consistent with the method you choose and consider adding a note to your financial statements explaining how you've handled the credit. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this clears up the confusion around booking the ERC. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and be